Looking at our size, the vast network we are part of, and the long-term relationships we have developed with businesses, governments, and non-governmental organizations, we cannot and should not be looked at merely for our technical expertise. As an important economic actor, every single individual at PwC has a role to play in the society we are part of. That is why we have defined our purpose as building trust in society and solving important problems. And this, in times where attention is increasingly geared towards what divides stakeholders instead of what could actually unite them. We believe that greater transparency in terms of how individuals and firms operate and their approach to taxation is one of the means to help restore trust. At the same time, we understand that the process of becoming more transparent may be easier said than done, yet it is essential. Today's world is incredibly complex. We at PwC aim to demystify that complexity, working with clients throughout their entire value chain from strategy to execution, to protect their business and their reputation. At the same time, we are providing expert input to both governmental and non-governmental organizations, supporting them in sketching out how the rules and regulations might be adapted to this new world. In other words, we view it as our responsibility to form and express a view on key topics that will shape our future. This, for example, means we help define a fine balance between the needs for transparency and the creation of manageable and sustainable tax policies. A focus on both the long-term interests of all stakeholders involved and business reality is key and overrides everything else. When we talk about sustainability, we don't just refer to being future-proof from a regulatory perspective. We also consider the changes organizations are going through. To give an example, as the world around the company becomes more automated, it too must digitize its business to remain relevant. We support clients, both from a technology perspective as from a change management and people angle. And by doing so, we help them, what we call, future-proof their business. We understand the issues clients face in dealing with today's complexity and what tomorrow may bring, because we face them too. This is not in isolation, but considering the broader society in which we operate. That is why we believe we're ideally placed to guide organizations, help them minimize risk and uncertainty, protect their reputation, and help them to become fit for the future.